Okay, it's June 17th. Let's get into the recap today. Today I took a L. Um, Here's the news for today. Came out at 8:30. As you see, this is the 8:30 candle. Marked out these highs on NQ and ES, or 8:30 is 8:30 down here. But this is higher, and it already took out this data high, so mark this out. Market opened and it took out this high on ES and it took out the same high on NQ. Um, the market was playing around in this fair value gap right here. Market broke downwards with some momentum, so started making marking out these fair value gaps. I seen that we didn't have too much momentum coming up. We were staying below the 50% of this fair value gap. I got in right here. My stops were right here above this order block. And the reason why sometimes I'll put it above the order block instead of the high of the candle that created this fair value gap is because if it comes all the way up here past this order block and there's no more confluence above it, then it's more than likely I'm offsides. It's going to take out this high anyways and probably continue up, which it did. So I got in right about here, and was hoping for price to get down here. And if it got down here and kept going, we marked out this low, and then we have this gap, and then these equal lows. I really didn't see these getting taken out today, just because we do have FOMC tomorrow, and usually, the days before FOMC, price doesn't make big swings, to take out liquidity like that. Um, so we see that happen. So move this. Um, and then we see price break above, close above this, and we see this retracement, um, respect this inverse fair value gap now. And the reason I didn't get into this trade, which obviously was good, is because I took the L and it's FOMC week. So I just didn't trade it, but I still marked it out, wrote it down on paper, and we see it was good. Also, another reason why I took this trade specifically, um, is because on ES we have this right here, these highs, higher high and lower high, on NQ SMT divergence, um, on ES when we made this run up right here, same on NQ, this wick, it made equal highs with this right here. So uh-oh, I knew that we were gonna come take this out. Um, Once it made this wick and it came back down, so I was looking for entries. Like I said, I wasn't gonna take it, but and price disrespecting fair value gaps like this, but still running above is common in weeks like FOMC and stuff like that. The big data weeks, um, price is just more manipulated during these times. So if you see what got him right here, stops would have been below this low. And as you see, I was targeting this high right here and the same like equal highs on ES. And you could have traded both. Um, if you got in on ES, you probably would have gotten in somewhere in here. The stops would have been right there. You couldn't even after this run up, you could have moved your stop right here, but I would just prefer it to be right there. This was been in your safe take profit just because they were equal, but we knew price was gonna move up there, and this was would have been your trade, and you would have been in it for 6 minutes. Um, and that's all the trades taken today. I'll still be looking to see if prices want to retrace, but I don't see myself even paper trading any of this just because in my opinion, the move has been made for today, and it'll probably just consolidate until tomorrow's news. So be safe out there trading. Have a wonderful day.